finally, I would like to show you. We have already collected huge water lily. You can see, guys. I don't know why they are just collecting and collecting lot of water lily. They have already collected. I'm saying them. No need another. It's enough. It's enough for you guys. So why you just collecting? But they are saying that here's huge water lily, and it will be vanish. It's a natural way. That's why they are feel like jolly, and they are just bring me here and there. I feel like really cool. This is really cool thing I can say. This is bird rider. You can see by the way. So bye. I'm just in front of you, just showing that. Okay, nothing else. So don't take it deeply or something like that. So by the way, I think guys you guys are enjoying with me because of okay, I'm just collecting on because of this scenery. It's real to gate as usual. Oh my goodness. And and day by day just water is disguising. It's just I don't know why, and I think it is the right time to go. That's why. By the way, bye guys. I hope you guys also show me a beautiful place, and I love that. That's why I'm just thinking what should I talk and what should I say, but I don't know what will be better for me to representing. I'm trying harder for represent something. Basically I'm as usual. I'm not making video, so it is the reason I'm in front of you for a long time. By the way, so what should I say? If you have any special topic for and you can give me the topic, then I will talk about that. Okay, so I haven't any topic on my page, and that's why I don't know how to how should I say. So by the way guys, I should ending this video because I already made another one. I already made another one. So it was really cool video. If you are watching, if you already watched this video, then you know the feeling that I have already gate. Okay. By the way, so bye.